talk about the quarantine 15, or those extra pounds we've managed to put on these past few months while in lockdown and unable to go to the gym. Plus, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you some tips not only on how to get rid of those excess pounds, but I'm also going to give you a promo code for 20% off a weight loss supplement that's going to help you get rid of those pounds even faster, guaranteed. Okay, I know, we can't go out, we can't go to the gym, things are locking back down, it's a mess. However, here's a couple of very simple tips that you can implement very easily and without breaking the budget. First tip number one, drink a full glass of water 30 minutes before each meal. That's going to boost your metabolism rate for about an hour and a half, and it's also going to subtly but safely reduce your appetite so that you eat less during each of your next meals. But you don't have to starve yourself, and you can eat until you're fully satiated. Second tip is to slowly but surely replace those unhealthy snacks like potato chips with healthy, high-protein snacks. For instance, hard-boiled eggs, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, almonds. Anything that's high protein is going to be a much healthier snack than anything made with fats or carbohydrates. Protein helps naturally boost your metabolism rate. In fact, it takes 5 times more energy to digest protein than it does a fat or a carbohydrate. Plus, protein naturally curbs your appetite. Research shows that if you eat a high-protein breakfast, it will reduce your late-night cravings by up to 50%. Lastly, protein helps naturally reduce caloric intake by up to 20%. And yes, research backs this. Now, if you try these 2 simple tips, okay, you can still snack, you can still eat until you're fully satiated, but you're going to start cutting back and you're going to see those pounds disappear, especially if you use Tetrogen. If you want to learn more about Tetrogen and how it can help you lose weight naturally, safely, and keep it off, visit us at tetrogenusa.com. Thank you. Have a good day.